upload, simple lang pero solid ang mode. Sa edit niya makilig at tawa, vibe may feel good pag pamilya at tropa.
Gentlemen, best in cultural attire. May dalawa kaming napili. Sila pala, hindi kami.
May I have the result, please?
Alright.
We received 250.
To receive 250 mop each, our best in cultural attire goes to
Miss Carla Francisco and
Miss Sol Santos Buda.
Please don't forget and receive your cash prize with a low home.
Ayan.
250
Ayan. Hindi ako lumaban.
Roman pa muna ka no, bago ang
Ayan.
250.
Ayan. Ipakita ang likod, anak. By the way, ang aming kasuot ang tatlo was designed by Jason. So, pag kailangan nyo pagawa ng mga modern Filipinianas in Barong, you can message Jason sa kanyang Facebook. Ayan. To be awarded by, of course, our napakaganda, isa rin best in cultural attire, Miss Lulette Portuguese.
So, the moment of truth, uunahin natin ang consolation
Consolation
prize.
prize.
Consolation prize will receive
Thank you so much.
500
Congratulations, guys.
MOP in cash and of course medal.
Medals and they have trophy, right? Wow! May trophy din ang consolation.
Wala po silang trophy, Ma'am Drew.
Wala. Meron din. I think medal lang. Medal. Medal and cash worth 500. So, ang ating unang consolation prize goes to, with an average score of 86.39. 86.39. Our first consolation prize goes to
Association of
Kalinga in Madrid. Ayan! Dancers lang po.
Yung dancers lang po.
Dancers, hindi kasali ang supporters. Dancers lang ang aakyat. Wow, congratulations. Ay, bakit nasa akin ang money? Oh, to be awarded by Tito Waway.
And of course, the two panel of judges.
Yes.
Ayan, congratulations, Kalinga si Macau.
Grabe, napakasaya ng ating 128th celebration ng ating Independence Day dito sa Tapsec. By the way, I want to say thank you to our and of course, we want to say massive thank you to IACM for sponsoring our venue. Thank you so much, guys. Palakpakan natin ang nag-sponsor ng ating venue.
Ilan ba wala? Meron pa akin. Urong-urong ka.
And of course, we want to say thank you to Luscious and Music, to our two technicals there. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with us since this morning until now. And of course, thank you, Robbie Anak. And of course, Taurus, thank you, Tita Lulu. Maraming salamat. Makiling International Eagles Club, thank you. AOFW and Phil Mapa, thank you.
Our next consolation prize is again, they will receive medals and 500 MOP cash.
Yes, dito ka, Sir Marvin.
Abado.
All right. Garnering an average score of 87.64. Another consolation prize goes to Labotantes Di Macau.
So after our two consolation prize, we will now award the third runner-up. Third runner-up will receive
1,000 MOP
in cash.
in cash, trophy and medals.
Eto na naman kami, nangangatok na naman ang mga tuhod namin dito sa taas. Just like what happened in Kahiyas.
Thank you so much, everyone. All
Thank you so
right.
much. Sino kaya ang third runner-up?
Third runner-up will receive as a consolations, ayan, yung prize mo. Umalis na sila, wala kayong prize nila. Lang picture taking niya. Okay na, okay na.
Okay naman, thank you.
Nauna yung picture taking kesa pag-receive ng prize. Na-excite talaga sila, guys.
Our
Alright.
third runner-up
Our third runner-up, ladies and gentlemen,
with an average score of
88.20. Our third runner-up goes to Shashi.
our third runner-up will receive a trophy, a cash total of 1,000 MOP and a medal, of course. Please get ready sa ating tatlong contingent. Who will be among of you guys is the second runner-up?
Alright. So, dito po tayo. Ayan. Laging nandito pa lang po sa tabi namin. Maraming salamat sa ating mga nagwawakuhan from Macau, the Killing International Eagles Club. Ayan. Okay.
Our second runner-up garnered a score of 88.61, and also they will receive medals, trophy, and a cash total of 2,000 MOP.
Oh! Ang laki! Our second runner-up, ayan. Salamat so much, Josie, and congratulations.
Congratulations, Kakamsat. Nakadukwal tayo. Ano tayo gano'n na? Ang puyo na dito.
Ayan. Our second runner-up will receive 2,000 MOP, a trophy and medals and certificates. Ayan. Our second runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, garnering an average score of 88.61.
And our second runner-up is you!
Orion!
Okay, quiet po. Ang natitira ay ang anak ng pulang araw and the heart of the Filipino Services.
Lagi, lagi, lagi.